Assalamualaikum everybody, this is my 11th algorithm video, and in this video I would be showing how you can cyclically rotate an array by one position. It would be a clockwise direction. So for example, we are given a list of array 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, our result should be like 5 4 5 1 2 3 4. This should be our result. Okay, so basically the trick here is to extract the last element first and then go for the for loop in this direction. Okay, so I make a new array and I make it blank. Okay, then the element to be extracted is list array -1. List array -1 means that we are extracting the fifth value of the list array. Okay, then I say for I in range 0 till len of list array -1. Okay, we are going from the 0th index till the what is the length of array is 5. 5 minus 1 is 4. So we are going till third index, from 0 till third index, 0 1 2 3. You will be going from the 1 value till all the way to the fourth value. Okay. Sorry, I forgot one thing. We need to append the element to be extracted to the new array. New array dot append element to be extracted. Right, now coming back to the for loop, we say new array dot append list array I. Okay, when the for loop is completed, we say print new array. Now this was the result that was intended. We have successfully completed the algorithm. We can switch to another question like the new list array is 9 8 7 6 4 2 1 3. Again the result should be that 3 should come first in our new array, and afterward 9 8 7 6 4 2 1. Okay, now if I click play, this is the intended result that we have gotten, thereby meaning that our algorithm has worked. So I hope you liked the video. Please share, like and subscribe to this channel. Thank you very much.